welcome to another episode of 365 Thoughts on Confidence. It's day 120. I'm back at home, finally. We've unpacked, settled back in at home, had a shower, just about to make dinner and settle in for the evening. So finally feeling a little bit more human, although lots of sleep to be caught up on. But before that, are you ready for today's Thought on Confidence? So let's check out what the message is for day 120. If you love what you do, you'll find yourself doing it even on off days. Do you have anything about your work or your business that you love so much that you would take time out on your off days to do it? We're back in South Africa after 3 weeks away, 3 very long but at the same time very short weeks away. And tomorrow is a public holiday, thankfully. So on my agenda for the public holiday is to get caught up, to do editing of photo shoots, of videos, interviews that I've been doing, to get caught up on all the working on my business stuff like the strategy and my content plan for the month of May, to reacquaint myself with the marketing, the activities that need to happen this month. And I'm so excited about it. I can't wait to get on top of all of those things. You don't realize how much you miss something until you're not there, you're not doing it every single day. And our adventures in Europe have been really great, really fantastic, really expansive, both physically and mentally. But I'm so glad to be home to get back on growing my business. And this tells me straight out the bat that I really do love what I do, because I can't wait to get back in the saddle and to get back into work mode. It's that daily ongoing growth, it's the daily ongoing input that you put into your business that really builds it. And I've really missed it in this time away. So I think that really speaks to the value of taking time off and stepping away from your business and just shutting off completely, which is exactly what I did. I'd say I shut off 90%. I was still kind of there. Obviously, I was filming my videos, uploading them as often as I could, filming them every day, uploading as often as I could, and kind of checking in with social media. But other than that, I completely unplugged, and that was quite a stretch for me to do. But now I feel reinvigorated, the excitement levels are high. I'm eager to get going. Today we arrived back in our apartment at about 12 o'clock. We've just been unpacking, cleaning up, tidying, getting things back into order, having to go grocery shopping. And you know what it's like with long haul flights is that you don't get much sleep. So I'm going to settle in for a nice evening of rest so that I'm up and ready on tomorrow, the public holiday, just to get stuck in. And I'm so excited. And I think when you have those levels of excitement and enthusiasm for the work that you're doing, that totally floats your confidence. That is totally a catalyst for your confidence. So look at your business and the things that you do or your work. What are the things that you love to do? What are the things that you can't wait to do on your day off? Because you should be doing more of that. Whether you get paid to do it or not is besides the point. If you get enjoyment and if you get that enthusiasm, if you get that excitement, do more of that, because it gives you purpose, it gives you a direction, it gives you confidence in yourself. It makes you feel good, and anything that makes you feel good is worth doing, most definitely. So what's going to make me feel good right now is to head on over and get some serious chill time, stuff my face, and celebrate being back home in our own space in the beautiful Cape Town. Can't wait to get out there a little bit tomorrow. I think that the forest is calling us for a run tomorrow. Just so full of excitement and enthusiasm for our day off. I'm so happy to be back. Things will all be getting back to normal. I have a couple of videos that I have recorded that still need to be published. So sorry about the inconsistency, But otherwise, let me know in the comments down below, what is it in your job or in your business that you love doing, that you're going to be doing on your day off tomorrow? Or if you're in a different part of the world, what would you be doing on your off days, whether it's on the weekend or public holidays, that indicate that you love just doing that for the pure joy of it, for the pure enthusiasm, it excites you. Let me know what that is in the comments down below. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications button, and share this video with a female friend of yours who is in business for herself. And let's all rise our confidence. A rising tide lifts all boats. So if each one of us girls improves our confidence, all of our confidence rises. Until tomorrow, I'll see you again.